Humanitarian activities have been carried out by their contingent during various operations, be it traffic duties, mobile patrol, or any other task assigned from time to time, has been greatly lauded by Monusco and by the local population.
Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to take you for a moment to our country, the land of Mahatma Gandhi, who led for independence of country with the basic principles of peace and non-violence. India is a country of continental proportions and rich cultural heritage. The history of civilization of India goes back to more than 10,000 years. In olden days, India was considered as one of the leading lights of the world, and its glory was spread far wide and all across the corner of the earth. धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला हर मौसम रंगीला ऐसा देश है मेरा. Now here are some interesting facts about the force we belong, Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force.
ITBPF, that is Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force, was raised on 24th October 1962 for reorganizing the frontier intelligence and security setup along the Indo-Tibetan border. Presently, ITBP is deployed on border guarding duties from Karakoram Pass in Ladakh to Jajipla in Arunachal Pradesh, covering 3,488 kilometers of Indo-China border and many border outposts on altitudes ranging from 9,000 feet to 18,700 feet in the western, middle and eastern sectors of Indo-China border. ITBPF is a specialized mountain force, and most of the officers and men are professionally trained mountaineers and skiers. Being the first responder for natural disaster in the Himalayas, ITBP has been carrying out numerous rescue and relief operations.
Adventure and daredevillery are the required professional skills for ITBP, and therefore, from its ranks come the world-class mountaineers who have scaled more than 100 Himalayan peaks, including the Mount Everest 4 times. Its skills have been national champions who have done India proud in the Winter Olympics. Its river rafters have created international history in rafting through the turbulent white waters of mighty Brahmaputra, the Indus and the Ganges. The motto of the force is Shaurya, Dhrita, Karmanishta, means value, determination and devotion to duty. All ranks of ITBP are dedicated to guard the borders with value, determination and devotion to the duty. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it is the medal parade ceremony of these officers. They are highly motivated. Please give them a huge round of applause. Parade is turning towards left and right to take over the air mark place.
Parade has taken its earmarked position.
Parade is an integral part of any force all over the world. The impressive parade of beautifully attired soldiers not only developed under the command of Parade 2IC. The Parade 2IC for today's he is having excellent skills in training activities.
Of 3 platoons of Indian FPO-1 contingent. All platoons comprise of 15 officers each. Side of the parade ground, it is being commanded by 2009. He served Indo-China border.
Platoon number 2 is standing in the middle of parade ground. Inspector Vinay Thapa joined this force in the air to gain good skills in firing and also served in anti-Naxal.
Kailash Negi. Inspector Kailash Negi, 2009, and also served in the anti-Naxal area.
Parade commander takes over the command of Indo-China border as well as high altitude areas of Leh Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and northeast regions of India during this period. He was awarded with Special Duty Medal in 2007. He has participated in ITBP Raipur and actively engaged in anti-Naxal operation activities. Now he is performing the duties of Ops Officer and Platoon Commander with excellence.
Ladies and gentlemen, Shri Pavan Malik, Commandant, Indian FPO-1, joined in both high altitude areas of Leh Ladakh. He has also attended many important flag meetings and border personnel mentioning United States Anti-Terrorist Assistance Program at the Police Academy, Louisiana, Baton Rouge, USA. Recently, he attended the workshop on training module of FPU command elements at New York while serving the UN mission in DR Congo. During his years of service, he has been awarded with insignia from DG NSG and golden insignia from DG ITBP, besides 4 commendation rolls on various occasions. He has been commanding since 8 years, and prior to coming
all around. And if we look in front of national flag and Indian national flag along with the national flag, Indian national flag comprises of 3 courage of the country. White in the middle, in the bottom indicates the fertility.
Ashok Chakra in the center of the white is the wheel of the law of you ought to be the controlling principle of those who work under this flag. The wheel represents the dynamism of a peaceful change. The 20
Right at the gate. Now he is leading to This was the guest of honor.
डॉक्टर साहब को बोलो 1 मिनट बाद ले आएंगे वहाँ से। ओवर।
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Giran Ndiaye. Mr. Giran Ndiaye hails from Senegal in West Africa. He started his first career with the United Nations as a human rights. Thereafter, from 2006 to 2010, he occupied 10 to 2017. He was the head of office. 2018, he was head of office at Dungu. He is the head of office at Kisangani. And the contingent are Mr. Salim Alam Musa and Mr. known as Cadet ASP on 1st May 2000. He was posted on the field where he served for many years as
He is being welcomed and greeted by contingent commander and other UN officials. We are pleased with the arrival of Mr. Murali Faiz, Chief of Operations FPU MONUSCO. Ladies and gentlemen, now all distinguished guests to stand up during national anthem.
Shut up! General Slot! Salame! Sat!
He need to
general salute of command in the honor of chief guest.
Now the parade commander requests the chief guest to inspect the parade. Today's chief guest, Colonel Martin Pai, who has represented the Municipal Police Commission at this occasion, has been the Municipal Chief of Operations from 12th February 2018 to date. He received education in 1992. 2 years later, he joined the Senegalese Gendarmerie. He is a versatile Gendarmerie officer. He once served as the commander of the Gendarmerie Mobile Unit in the aspect of public order management, Gendarmerie, territorial police investigation and prosecution.
Now I request contact.
Colonel Yanje Baronje Alex, Superior Principal of PNC, Sopo Province. Mr. Yao Jiaoga, Chief of UNPOL Sector, other distinguished guests of the MONUSCO, members of the Indian community, on behalf of all members of the Indian FPU-1, I welcome you all in the premises of the FPU on the occasion of Medal Award ceremony of the Indian FPU-1. It is my great pleasure to welcome you all on this proud moment. For the mission mandate, the 12th Indian FPU contingent, that is the present one, was inducted on 23rd February 2018 and is giving its services since 6 March 2018, the day it was declared operational. The FPU has spent exactly 11 months and 20 days in the MONUSCO and is earmarked for rotation on 2nd March 2019. During this period, the FPU went through various highs and lows. In this period, we lost one of our comrades in the mission area when head constable driver Jitendra Kumar succumbed to sudden heart failure on 29th August 2018. God bless his soul. The entire FPU pay homage to the departed soul. The FPU faced another low when 3 FPU elements had to return back to India mid-mission on health grounds. I would like to inform you all the distinguished guests here that the Indian FPU-1 contingent has been drawn from a paramilitary force which guards the northern and eastern frontiers of India. They have the experience of performing international border management duties in very high altitudes which can go up to 18,000 feet and in extreme cold snow-bound regions where temperatures can go down up to -28 degrees Celsius. They are trained in icecraft, rockcraft, mountaineering skills, commando training, unarmed combat and counter-terrorist operations. They are trained in handling of highly sophisticated weapons as well as in the identification, handling and disposal of explosives. In the FPU performed its duties for first 7.5 months in Bunia, where we SRSG, Deputy SRSG, Police Commissioner, Deputy Police Commissioner and Chief of Operations in addition to carry out routine duties. The FPU also provided escort to Zulu Run every month. The FPU has provided security to MONUSCO headquarters and MONUSCO house in Bunia by placing QRFs and protection of internally displaced persons camped in Bunia by taking out day and night joint patrols with UNPOL around them. While in Bunia, the Indian FPU also undertook successfully a couple of rescue operations during fire and road accidents where invaluable life and property of civilian Congolese citizens was saved. On receiving orders from the UNPOL hierarchy, the FPU relocated itself from Bunia to Kisangani in September 2018 and by 27th September, entire FPU was shifted to the present location. The FPU commenced its routine duties from 30th September 2018 and since then performing the assigned task with utmost dedication and sincerity. Overall, the FPU has undertaken 962 simple patrols, 983 joint patrols with UNPOL, Army and PNC, 22 long-range patrols and 278 patrols around IDP camps in addition to 1040 QRFs since its induction in the mission. On the training front too, the FPU has endeavored to excel. Right from the day the FPU became operational, there has been continuous training of all the elements in public order management, protection of civilians and unit under fire. Apart from lectures on other related subjects in police training school Kapalata, Kisangani in January 2019. The Indian FPU command staff has been very sensitive and careful about sexual exploitation and abuse matters among the FPU elements, and I am happy to announce that there was zero case of C cases in the FPU, and I assure you that there shall not be any in future too. The FPU placed QRF at Airport Bangkok in the aftermath of presidential elections on 30th December 2018. It is also worth mentioning here that it is because the government of India has the policy of giving opportunity to new persons, but each member of working in the UN. We will also carry home a rich experience of working with people of various nationalities, the work culture and ethos of the UN, and would try to apply these in our work environment. The Indian FPU cannot forget the immense contribution of our liaison officers, Mr. Musa, the team leader, and Mr. Mustafa, who always and shaped it for the requirements of MONUSCO. Their guidance and words of advice always helped the FPU in carrying out our mission mandate. The FPU could not have completed its assigned task at all had there not been the cooperation and guidance of particularly the MUCON, FOM, security, engineering, transport and CITS, etc. The head of office, Mr. Giran Nindae, was always more than willing to help and support and solve our problems. And he was always available and approachable to help us. He has always endeavored to execute the mission mandate in the best possible way as desired and directed by the Police Commissioner Office, who would be left unturned by the Indian FPU in order to fulfill the mission mandate and implementation of all directives and policy.
Now I will.
Dear Chief, dear Head of Office, dear FPU Commander, dear colleagues, the representative of the Police Commissioner of Kisangani, dear colleagues, dear guests, ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor and a pleasure for me to be here today in this ceremony on behalf of the Chief of the Component of Police MONUSCO. Indeed, the ceremony that brings us together this afternoon is an event that marks the life of any contingent within the mission of the United Nations. We are here today to honor a deserving contingent who is nearing the end of his stay after having accomplished the mission for which he was deployed in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Deployed in March in the mission at the time when the security situation was deteriorating with the inter-ethnic conflict of Jugu, you showed wisdom and commitment in agreeing to be deployed operational even before the end of the usual checking. Throughout your stay in Bunia, you have demonstrated self-denial and professionalism by executing with all the rigor and the commitment all the mission that have entrusted you. After the decision of the mission leadership to relocate you to Kisangani for operational reasons, you not only consented without murmuring, but you did everything possible to ensure that the relocation operation proceed as quickly as possible and in the best condition. I cannot say here all what you did during your stay in this mission. But I would like to tell you just that you did a lot. You did a great job, and we thank you for that. As for the colleagues, individual police officers, your action in the implementation of the mandate did not go unnoticed. Your involvement in the protection of civilians and the capacity building of the PNC has largely contributed to the achievement of the objective. Please think and continue to work with the same ardor so that the global action of the MONUSCO can help this broader country that is Congo, member of the Indian contingent. Dear individual police officers of Kisangani sector, these medals which are awarded to you today, far from being the respect of a simple tradition, it's a simple tradition of the United Nations, testify to the satisfaction of the hierarchy of the work that you accomplished, but also the exemplarity behavior you have been trying to achieve since your arrival in the mission. Je ne saurais terminer mon propos sans adresser un mot à l'endroit de nos collègues de la PNC, ici présents. Monsieur le colonel, représentant le commissaire provincial de la ville de Kisangani, votre présence ici, parmi nous, témoigne éloquemment de l'excellence des relations de partenariat qui lient la police MONUSCO à la police nationale congolaise. Permettez-moi de vous exprimer notre satisfaction pour votre action quotidienne dans le raffermissement de ces liens fraternels qui lient nos deux institutions, mais aussi de vous réaffirmer l'engagement d'UNPOL à vous soutenir dans toutes vos actions en vue d'une meilleure offre de services sécuritaires au bénéfice de la population congolaise. Monsieur le colonel, je vous prie de bien vouloir transmettre au commissaire provincial les remerciements, les sincères remerciements de toute la composante police de la MONUSCO. On behalf of the General Awale Abdul Nasir, Chief of the Police Component, and the leadership of all the World Mission, the SRG, I would like to express our deep gratitude for the excellent work that you have done and urge you to continue along this path with the same professionalism and the same commitment. Thank you very much for the job that you have done in this mission, and also for the behavior. We have this year 0 case ACA, and last time the SRG came to UNPOL component to congratulate all the components. This is our job, it is your job, it is your behavior. So I ask you, on behalf of the Police Commissioner, to continue like that, to achieve your duty, and to all together we can achieve the goal that we are looking for. Thank you very much for all.
Thank you, sir.
Au secteur, Monsieur le représentant du commissaire provincial de la police nationale congolaise, dear contingent commander, dear colleagues, distinguished guests. On behalf of the SRRG, I want to specially commend the efforts the NFP1 put in towards ensuring the safety of the UN personnel and installations. Since your arrival in Kisangani in August 2018. It is also worth noting here that in addition to your two primary responsibilities of UN personnel installations, protection, you have equally contributed in no small measure in the aspect of civil populace protection through your daily, day and night joint patrol with IPOS and PNC. In this letter, the SRRG expressed her profound satisfaction with the conduct of the entire member of MONUSCO police component in ensuring a zero case of sexual exploitation and abuse throughout the year 2018. This singular gesture has not only portrayed your the FPUs and IPUs as disciplined members of the police component, but also it portrayed you a good ambassador of your respective countries that are proud and desirous of safeguarding the good image of the very UN mission that brought you together. Finally, long life to MONUSCO, long life to MONUSCO police component, and long life to the Indian FPU-1 contingent Kisangani. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your motivating and inspiring. I request all the officers of the contingent and UN pole officers to assemble in the ground to receiving the medal. Here are few operational achievements of Indian FPU-1. Indian FPU-1 contingent provides escort and strategic guard during the visit of Mrs. Laila Zirogi, SRGC, General Awali Abdul Nasir, Police Commissioner, Deputy Police Commissioner, Chief of Operation, FPU Coordinator, Deputy FPU Coordinator, and many other officers at Bunia as well as Kisangani. Indian FPU-1 contingent provides escort to Zulu Run every month from airport to MONUSCO headquarters successfully. Indian FPU-1 contingent conducted QRF duties, simple patrol, joint patrol and long-range patrol with UN pole, Army and PNC officers for the security of civilians, UN personnel and UN property. Total number of patrol conducted by Indian Pole, Army and PNC 983. Eliminate QRF 1040. On 21 May 2018, Indian FPU-1 contingent celebrated International Yoga Day with full devotion and enthusiasm at Bunia, in which all the United Nations dignitaries were invited. On 5th August 2018, at 21 hours, a massive fire broke out at the outside area of Bunia Airport and destroyed the field of corn. QRF team of Indian FPU-1 rushed to the incident site and bring the blaze under control and succeeded to extinguish the fire after 45 minutes of struggle and neutralized the situation. QRF team protected the property of UN as well as civilians' property and also protected the surrounded area of Bunia Airport. Apart from above incidents, so many rescue operations Indian FPU-1 contingent and also saved the life of many local peoples at Bunia as well as Kisangani. Now, Contingent Commander is presenting memento to Guest of Honor, Mr. Giran NDA, Head of Office, Kisangani.
Now, Contingent Commander is
Now, Contingent Commander is presenting memento to Mr. Yao Diago, Sector Commander, MONUSCO.
to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. First and foremost, I thank our chief guest, Martin Foy, Chief of Operation UNPOL Component, MONUSCO, who despite his busy schedule has spared time and travel all along from Kinshasa to grace this occasion. I also express my heartfelt thanks to our guest of honor, Mr. Girane Andie, Head of Office, Kisangani, for his valuable contribution and presence. I must mention my deepest sense of appreciation to our special guest of honor, Colonel
Superior Principal Yanjere Bronze Alex of PNC Chopo Province for being with us today. I would like to take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to Mr. Yao Diauga, Chief of Sector, our liaison officer, Mr. Musa and Mustafa, and all UNPOL who always stand by us and guide us. I also thank to all officer and personnel of UNESCO Kisangani for their valuable contribution in our efforts. I thank all the distinguished invitees present here to have accepted our invitation and graced the occasion. We are grateful our contingent commander for his words of encouragement. His able guidance has always encouraged us. We feel proud and thank you to all Indian community for making us feel happy with your presence to this function. I wish to express special appreciation to all members of contingent who have worked hard to ensure that the occasion becomes a memorable success. Last but not the least, I thank you all my friends for your cooperation in making this function a resounding success. Once again, I thank you all for your attention. Thank you. Jai Hind. Bon soiree.
Thank you very much, sir. Now, Parade Commander will see.
Red! General Slot! Flamme! Set! Red! Bagal! Set! Good evening, sir. May I have your permission to disperse the parade, sir? Good evening, sir.
Now, Parade Commander is handing over the charge of parade to Parade 2IC.
Yes, sir.
Parade is dispersing in befitting manner.
वंदे वंदे मातरम वंदे वंदे मातरम वंदे वंदे मातरम वंदे 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 मातरम वंदे वंदे मातरम वंदे वंदे मातरम वंदे एक ही आवाज वंदे मातरम एक ही अल्फाज वंदे मातरम वंदे वंदे मातरम वंदे वंदे मातरम वंदे वंदे मातरम वंदे मंदिर में भगवान से पहले मस्जिद में आजान से पहले
चर्च में जीसस से पहले
गुरुद्वारे में नानक से पहले सबसे पहले इस माटी का कर्ज चुकाए हम सबसे पहले इस माटी का कर्ज चुकाए हम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम सब गाए वंदे मातरम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम सब गाए वंदे मातरम। वंदे वंदे मातरम, वंदे वंदे मातरम, वंदे वंदे मातरम, वंदे 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 मातरम, वंदे वंदे मातरम, वंदे वंदे मातरम, वंदे। देश पे कुर्बान हुए जो आओ उनको याद करें। अपने अपने मालिक से हम आओ ये फरियाद करें। जात पात मजहब को छोड़ो आओ देश की बात करें। जात पात मजहब को छोड़ो आओ देश की बात करें। मर जाए इस माटी की खातिर जिस पे लिया जन्म। ओ मर जाए इस माटी की खातिर जिस पे लिया जन्म। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम सब गाए वंदे मातरम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम सब गाए वंदे मातरम। वंदे वंदे मातरम, वंदे वंदे मातरम, वंदे वंदे मातरम, वंदे 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 मातरम, वंदे वंदे मातरम, वंदे वंदे मातरम, वंदे। भगत सिंह और राजगुरु आजाद पे हमको नाज रहे। कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक यही आवाज रहे। मेरे देश का कोना कोना खुशियों से आबाद रहे। मेरे देश का कोना कोना खुशियों से आबाद रहे। ओ, जब तक है सांसों में सांसें यही कहेंगे हम। जब तक है सांसों में सांसें यही कहेंगे हम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम सब गाए वंदे मातरम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम सब गाए वंदे मातरम। वंदे वंदे मातरम, वंदे वंदे मातरम, वंदे वंदे मातरम, वंदे 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 मातरम, वंदे वंदे मातरम, वंदे वंदे मातरम, वंदे। वंदे वंदे मातरम, वंदे वंदे मातरम, वंदे वंदे मातरम, वंदे 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 मातरम, वंदे वंदे मातरम, वंदे वंदे मातरम, वंदे। एक ही आवाज वंदे मातरम, एक ही अल्फाज वंदे वंदे मातरम वंदे वंदे मातरम वंदे वंदे मातरम वंदे वंदे मातरम वंदे। मंदिर में भगवान से पहले, मस्जिद में आजान से पहले,
चर्च में जीसस से पहले,
गुरुद्वारे में नानक से पहले, सबसे पहले इस माटी का कर्ज चुकाए हम। ओ सबसे पहले इस माटी का कर्ज चुकाए हम। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम सब गाए वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम सब गाए वंदे मातरम वंदे वंदे मातरम वंदे वंदे मातरम वंदे वंदे मातरम वंदे 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 मातरम वंदे वंदे मातरम वंदे वंदे मातरम वंदे। देश पे कुर्बान हुए जो आओ उनको याद करें, अपने अपने मालिक से हम आओ ये फरियाद करें। जात पात मजहब को छोड़ो आओ देश की बात करें, जात पात मजहब को छोड़ो आओ।
Qu'est-ce qui explique l'organisation de cette cérémonie ce jour?
La cérémonie de ce jour, nous sommes venus donc honorer un contingent qui a accompli sa mission ici en RDC et qui n'est pas loin de la fin de sa mission. Nous sommes venus aussi honorer des officiers de police individuels, donc UNPOL, qui travaillent en étroite collaboration avec la FPU et qui œuvrent ensemble pour l'atteinte des objectifs dans la mise en œuvre du mandat de la MONUSCO.
Et quel est l'essence que la MONUSCO, l'ONU, de façon générale, accorde à ce genre de cérémonie? Quelle est la valeur symbolique de ce genre de cérémonie, de remise de médailles?
C'est un événement que tout IPO attend. Et comme l'ai-je dit tantôt, donc ça ne veut pas dire que nous respectons juste une tradition pour distribuer des médailles à l'appel à n'importe qui. Nous décernons ces médailles à ceux qui ont mérité. Donc nous avons jugé que les FPU qu'on a honorés aujourd'hui et les officiers de police individuels qu'on a honorés aujourd'hui ont tous eu à accomplir leur devoir et ont eu un comportement exemplaire, digne. Et c'est pour cela donc qu'on a estimé qu'ils méritent la médaille qui leur est décernée. Donc cette médaille est d'une grande valeur parce que ça récompense ceux qui ont eu à faire leur travail convenablement et qui ont eu à se comporter de manière exemplaire.
Et quel message pouvez-vous leur transmettre, même à ceux qui n'ont pas reçu aujourd'hui, pour le futur?
Le message, ceux qui n'ont pas reçu aujourd'hui, nous n'avons pas de recalé, si je comprends bien la question. Ceux qui n'ont pas reçu de médaille sont particulièrement ceux qui ont eu à recevoir la médaille antérieurement. Et d'autres, ceux qui l'ont déjà reçu, donc n'avaient pas le droit de recevoir une deuxième fois. Et le message que je peux leur lancer, c'est que de ne pas s'arrêter. Ce n'est pas parce qu'on leur a dit que vous avez fait un excellent travail qu'ils vont se dire que nous avons accompli notre part de devoir. Et pour le reste du temps de séjour, nous devons nous la couler douce. Non. Ils doivent continuer avec la même ardeur, le même engagement et aussi œuvrer pour que les objectifs qui leur sont fixés puissent être atteints. Donc Ce n'est pas parce que nous les avons félicités qu'ils doivent s'arrêter, mais c'est au moment, après avoir été félicités, qu'ils doivent redoubler d'efforts. Nous attendons encore beaucoup plus d'eux à partir de cet instant.
Merci, mais c'est une opération.
मेरे बिन सुनी है दिल की राहें, मेरे बिन प्यासी सबकी निगाहें। मेरे बिन सुनी है दिल की राहें, मेरे बिन प्यासी सबकी निगाहें। जो मिले पूरे भर के गुनाहें, सुनिए आशिक बनाया, आशिक बनाया, आशिक बनाया, आशिक बनाया, आशिक बनाया, आशिक बनाया।
Feel the bass.
खुल के इश्क धड़के तो मजा है, होठों से पढ़ ले वो जो होठों पे लिखा है। मेरी निगाहों में तेरा चेहरा रवा है, मेरे अरमां जाने का पागल समा है। आशिकी में